Hello everyone, my name is Licenio Souza. I'm a product marketing manager at Synopsys. Since we cannot meet in person, I decided to put this short video together to give you the most exciting updates in our MIPI IP portfolio that can potentially help you address some of your the design challenges that you're facing. So let's get right to it. We recently introduced our new C-PHY solution, MIPI C-PHY solution for camera and display for both consumer and automotive applications. This solution, we have the controllers that support the key features of the latest specs and also supports C-PHY available in 16 down to 5 nanometer. Our C-PHY supports C-PHY version 1.2 that goes up to 3.5 gigasymbols per second per trio, and D-PHY version 2.1 that goes up to 4.5 gigabits per second. So the total aggregate bandwidth is about 24 gigabits per second, which is quite impressive and unique. We already have silicon evidence for our 12 and 7 nanometer. The eye diagrams are looking great. We have an automotive grade IP to address the functional safety and reliability requirements, the stringent reliability requirements of these applications. We actually already have customers in mobile, automotive, and drone applications, so high profile customers already using our IP. And effectively, if you are planning your next design and you want to connect with state-of-the-art displays or image sensors that require a reliable high-performance link, and if you're doing that in advanced FinFET nodes, well, now you know that you can rely on Synopsys for a proven IP that allows you to basically accelerate the development and meet your time to market requirements. So having said that, if you need more information about our new C-PHY solution, don't hesitate, please reach out to Synopsys and we'll be more than happy to continue the discussion. Thank you and stay safe.